Welcome to HomePan Tri-Pro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that promises to elevate your culinary game, the LOLYKITCH 12-inch Tri-Ply stainless steel 5.5 QD sauté pan and 8 to 10-inch frying pan set of 3. This isn't just another set of pans, it's a carefully engineered collection designed for performance, durability, and health-conscious cooking. So, let's get cooking and see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the construction. The core of this cookware is its premium Tri-Ply build. This means you have a high-purity aluminum core sandwiched between two layers of durable stainless steel. This construction is the secret sauce for efficient heating. The aluminum core conducts heat incredibly well, ensuring that your pan heats up rapidly and, more importantly, evenly across the entire surface. This eliminates hot spots, which are the bane of any home cook, leading to consistent results whether you're gently cooking eggs on low heat, performing general cooking on medium-low, or searing a thick cut of steak on medium-high. The cooking surface itself is made from 18-0 food-grade stainless steel with a starburst finish. This finish not only looks good but also contributes to durability and, crucially, prevents reactivity with your food, preserving the natural flavors of your ingredients. One of the standout features highlighted is the energy efficiency. LOLYKITCH claims their cookware can save up to 20% fuel consumption. This is achieved through that smart Tri-Ply design that efficiently transfers and retains heat, meaning you can often achieve your desired cooking temperature with less energy input. For those of us who are environmentally conscious or simply looking to save a little on utility bills, this is a significant advantage. It proves that high performance doesn't have to come at the expense of the planet or your wallet. The design of these pans is also worth noting. They feature ergonomic, detachable stainless steel handles. The detachable aspect is particularly useful for storage, allowing you to neatly stack the pans or even hang them if you have the right setup. More importantly, the handles are designed to stay cool on the stovetop, providing a safe and comfortable grip. The sauté pan comes with a tight-sealing glass lid that has a built-in steam vent. This lid is fantastic for monitoring your food without lifting it, which helps maintain consistent cooking temperatures and moisture levels. The versatility extends beyond the stovetop too. These pans are oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, with the glass lid safe up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This opens up a whole world of culinary possibilities, from finishing off dishes in the oven to baking. From a health perspective, LOLYKITCH emphasizes that their stainless steel cookware is PFOA-Free and SGS Certified. This is a critical point for many home cooks who are increasingly concerned about the materials their food comes into contact with. Knowing that these pans are free from harmful chemicals like PFOA provides peace of mind, allowing you to focus on creating delicious and healthy meals for yourself and your family. The versatility of this set is truly impressive. It's not just for frying. These pans are ideal for stir-frying, steaming, baking, and searing. Whether you're a seasoned chef in a commercial kitchen or just starting out in your home kitchen, these pans are designed to handle a wide array of cooking techniques. The description even mentions their suitability for outdoor cooking, which is a nice bonus for those who enjoy grilling or camping and want to bring a bit of home kitchen quality with them. Finally, let's touch on durability and maintenance. The Tri-Ply construction is inherently durable, built to withstand the rigors of daily cooking. As mentioned, they are compatible with all stovetops, including induction, which is a big plus for many modern kitchens. Cleaning is also made easy. They are dishwasher safe, which is a lifesaver for busy individuals and families. While hand washing is often recommended for maintaining the optimal appearance of stainless steel, the dishwasher safe feature offers a convenient option when time is of the essence. Now, for the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Tri-Ply construction provides excellent heat distribution and retention, leading to superior cooking results. The energy-efficient design is a great selling point for eco-conscious buyers. The ergonomic, detachable handles and the included glass lid with a steam vent add significant functionality and convenience. The health-conscious aspect with PFOA-free certification is a major plus. The wide range of cooking methods they support makes them a truly versatile addition to any kitchen. Lastly, the durability and ease of maintenance, including dishwasher safeness, are highly appreciated. On the flip side, some might find the detachable handle a bit of a learning curve initially, though most will appreciate the storage benefits. While the pans are oven-safe to a high temperature, the lid has a lower limit, which is a common design for glass lids and something to be mindful of. Also, like all stainless steel cookware, achieving a true non-stick experience for delicate items like eggs will require proper preheating and oiling techniques. It's not a non-stick pan in the traditional sense, but with correct usage, it performs exceptionally well. In conclusion, the LOLYKITCH 12-inch Tri-Ply stainless steel 5.5 QD sauté pan and 8 to 10-inch frying pan set of 3 is a robust and versatile cookware collection. It strikes a great balance between performance, health, and convenience. The Tri-Ply construction is the star here, ensuring efficient and even heating, while the thoughtful design features like the ergonomic handles and the well-fitting lid make cooking a more enjoyable and controlled experience. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen with durable, high-performing, and healthy cookware, this LOLYKITCH set is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.